Tips and tricks for staying organized and productive on Digital Planner. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get overwhelmed with the constant barrage of tasks, appointments, and deadlines. With so much to keep track of, it's essential to have an organizational system that works for you. Digital planners have become increasingly popular in recent years, offering a convenient and customizable way to stay on top of your schedule and tasks. Digital planners come in a variety of forms, from simple apps that sync with your calendar to more comprehensive software that includes to-do lists, note-taking capabilities, and even habit trackers. These planners offer many benefits over their paper counterparts, including the ability to easily edit and rearrange tasks, access your planner from anywhere with an internet connection, and even set reminders and notifications to keep you on track. Staying organized and productive is essential for success in both personal and professional pursuits. By using a digital planner, you can free up mental space and reduce the stress of trying to remember everything on your own. Digital planners allow you to create a centralized hub for all your tasks, appointments, and deadlines, making it easier to prioritize and manage your time effectively. In this video, we'll explore some tips and tricks for staying organized and productive on your digital planner. From choosing the right planner to maximizing productivity and staying organized, we'll cover everything you need to know to get the most out of your digital planning system. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple projects or a student trying to balance classes and extracurricular activities, these tips will help you stay on top of your schedule and achieve your goals. Step 1. Choosing the right digital planner. When it comes to choosing the right digital planner, there are several options to consider. From apps to websites to software, there are a variety of platforms available to suit different needs and preferences. Here are some tips for choosing the right digital planner for you. 1. Consider your needs before you start looking for a digital planner. It's important to consider what features you need. Do you primarily need a calendar to keep track of appointments and deadlines, or do you also need a to-do list and note-taking capabilities? Make a list of the features that are most important to you. 2. Research different platforms. Once you know what you're looking for, do some research on different platforms. Read reviews, compare features, and try out demos or free versions of the software before committing to a paid subscription. 3. Look for cross-device compatibility. If you're planning to use your digital planner on multiple devices, make sure the platform you choose has cross-device compatibility. This will allow you to access your planner from your phone, tablet, and computer without having to manually update each device. 4. Consider customization options. Customization options can be a big selling point for digital planners. Look for platforms that allow you to customize the interface, create different views, daily, weekly, monthly, and color code tasks and appointments. 5. Check for integration with other apps. If you use other apps or software to manage your tasks, make sure the digital planner you choose integrates with those apps. For example, some digital planners allow you to sync with Google Calendar or Trello. 6. Take pricing into account. Digital planners can range in price from free to several $100s per year. Consider your budget and whether the features offered by a particular platform are worth the cost. Step 2. Setting up your digital planner. Setting up your digital planner is an important step in making the most of your organizational tool. Here are some tips for setting up your digital planner. 1. Choose a layout that works for you. Digital planners can come in a variety of layouts, including daily, weekly, and monthly views. Choose a layout that works best for you based on your scheduling needs and preferences. 2. Create a master task list. Before adding tasks to your digital planner, create a master task list. This will allow you to prioritize and organize your tasks before adding them to your planner. Be sure to break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. 3. Add important dates and deadlines. Add important dates and deadlines to your digital planner, such as birthdays, anniversaries, and project deadlines. This will help ensure that you don't forget anything important. 4. Customize the interface. Many digital planners offer customization options, such as changing the color scheme or adding your own images. Take advantage of these options to make your planner feel personal and unique. 5. Sync your planner across devices. If you plan to use your digital planner on multiple devices, be sure to sync it across all devices. This will ensure that you have access to your planner no matter where you are. 6. Stream Indeed and notifications. Use the reminder and notification features of your digital planner to help you stay on track. Set reminders for important tasks and deadlines, and use notifications to remind you to check your planner regularly. 7. Keep your planner up to date. Make sure to regularly update your digital planner with new tasks and deadlines. This will ensure that your planner stays current and accurate. By following these tips, you can set up your digital planner to help you stay organized and productive. Remember to choose a layout that works for you, add important dates and deadlines, customize the interface, sync your planner across devices, set reminders and notifications, and keep your planner up to date. With a little bit of effort, your digital planner can become an invaluable tool for managing your time and tasks. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and productive is more important than ever. Digital planners are a great tool for helping you stay on top of your schedule and tasks, no matter where you are. By choosing the right digital planner and setting it up properly, you can maximize its benefits and improve your productivity. When choosing a digital planner, it's important to consider your needs, research different platforms, look for cross-device compatibility, consider customization options, check for integration with other apps, and take pricing into account. Once you've chosen a digital planner, it's important to set it up properly. This includes choosing a layout that works for you, creating a master task list, adding important dates and deadlines, customizing the interface, syncing your planner across devices, setting reminders and notifications, and keeping your planner up to date. Using a digital planner can help you stay organized, reduce stress, and increase productivity. By having all of your tasks and appointments in one place, you can avoid double booking and forgetting important deadlines. You can also prioritize your tasks and break larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps. With customizable views and color coding options, you can quickly and easily see what tasks are most important and when they need to be completed. In conclusion, a digital planner can be a valuable tool for staying organized and productive. By choosing the right digital planner and setting it up properly, you can make the most of its features and improve your productivity. So why not give it a try? With a little effort and dedication, a digital planner can help you achieve your goals and make the most of your time.